Hello friends, so today in this video we will discuss algebra again, the fundamental concepts of algebra which we have already discussed, what is algebra and polynomials, the degree of the polynomials, etc. Now in this video we will discuss the operations of algebra, which is very important. So stay tuned till end and stay focused. Take a note. Wherever doubt is there, you can chat in the comment box and ask the doubts. So let us start operations of algebra. So friends, operations, we will start from addition, then we will go for subtraction, then multiplication and division, and we will go for the simplification also, where the bracket works will come, and some rules of the simplification, that is Bodmas rule, or you can say PEMDAS rule also. So now let us start question number 1 of addition. We will start from a grassroot again, a very small and easy example we will take. I will take 5xy plus 6xy. So this is a very simple one, and how to do this. Now if I'll go for the solution now, here the variable is xy and here the numbers are, or the numerals are 5 and 6. So what I will do, 5 and 6 I will add, put a bracket, and the variables, that is x and y, I will list it out of the bracket, is equal to 5 plus 6 is 11 and this is xy. You can directly write this 5xy plus 6xy is equal to 11xy. How? There are how many xy's are there? 5 xy's are there and here 6 xy's are there. If 5 xy's will be added to 6 xy's, then 11 xy's will be there. Simple. Then this addition, I will go for a bit more numbers will be there. 15x square y plus 9x square y plus 3x square y. You see, why did we able to add these numbers? This is xy, this is xy, the variables are same, right? So these terms are called like terms, so we could add this. And here this is x square y, this is x square y, and this is also x square y. Before adding, we should understand whether these terms are like terms or not. If they are the like terms, then we can add. If they are not like terms, means unlike terms, as we discussed, they cannot be added, they cannot be subtracted. So let us, they are confirmed as like terms. So now solution part we will do here now. So now is equal to 15, 9 and 3, the numbers you will write, and x square y is the variable in each of the numbers. So 15 plus 9 will be 24, 24 plus 3 is 27, right? So 27 and x square y. This is a simple addition I did. Now I will take subtraction, simple subtraction I will take. Example number 3 for subtraction, simple. Now suppose 12 x cube y is been given minus 13 x cube y is been given. How to subtract? Similar way as we were subtracting 12 minus 13, let us take them into bracket because they are like terms, and the variable, that is x cube y, will be taken outside the bracket. Now this is equal to, as we were adding the integers here we will subtract the integers also. 12 minus 13 will be, suppose 13 minus 12 will be 1, but 12 minus 13 will be minus 1, right? Normal integer subtraction you will do, and x cube y will be there. But what? Minus, we don't write like this, 1x or 1y, 1x square y, we don't write when the coefficient of the algebraic terms, like means x square y, x, y, the coefficient is 1, we don't write that coefficient, isn't it? So what we will do here, only we write minus x cube y. This is the answer. So this is subtraction. Now I will do This subtraction, this is called row method. This addition is row method. This subtraction is in row method, because we have written the numbers in a row and we are doing. We can go for column method also. So let us do few examples in column methods. So column method and row method, whichever is convenient, dear students, you can go for that. Row method is, if you are convenient, then you go for row method. There is no restriction in which method you are going to do that. Okay, so now different example I will take. Question number 4. I will write the question as it is given in question paper. 15xyz plus 20xyz minus 2xyz. Now there are three terms. First I will check whether they are like terms or unlike terms. xyz, xyz and xyz. All the variables are same, so they are like terms. If I am going for row method, directly I will write here 15 plus 20 minus 2, answer will be done, and xyz. But if I will go for column method, similarly what I will write here 15 xyz, similar. As you are adding in column method the normal numbers, similarly you will do plus 20 xyz minus 2 xyz, and you add normally. This is 15 plus 20 is 35 minus 2 is 33 xyz. This is the answer. Same. So now I will tell you, I will see in all these 4 examples what I did. I have taken the variables in the numbers are same. Now what I will do, I will take like and unlike terms mixed in a same question and I will do the addition. Let us do it. Hope this is going easy for you, dear students. So now question number 5, what I will take here, I will take different like terms and unlike terms here. Okay, so now 2x cube y cube plus 3x cube y minus 15x cube y cube plus 20 yx cube. Now you see I have taken 4 terms here, and all these 4 terms, this is x cube y cube, this is x cube y only, and here x cube y cube again, and here yx cube is there. Now x cube y cube and x cube y cube, these are like terms, but this x cube y with this one, it is not like, it is unlike, right? Here also yx cube is been given, so you have to check yx cube is same as x cube y. So x cube y, this is also x cube y. So there are 2 terms each to be liked here. So what I will do, if I will go for row method, how I will do, this one I will arrange first, 2x cube y cube and minus 15x cube y cube. This is step 1 where I am arranging the like terms, here step, arranging like terms. This is the step, arranging the like terms. Which other like terms are there? This one, because I have underlined here, is 2 lines and 2 lines, these are like, and 1 line and 1 line, these are like. So plus 3x cube y and plus 20x cube y, I have written here. Now I will go for answer again, is equal to, directly you can do the answer. Here also directly you can do the answer. Don't need to take the common as the variable as common and subtract. Directly you can. 2 minus 15 is what? 2 minus 15 minus 2 is what? 13. But 2 minus 15 is reverse, minus 13. Minus 13, and x cube y is the variable. Done. Then here plus x cube y and x cube y is there. Now 3 plus 20 is what? Very easy, it's 23, isn't it? 23 x cube y. So this is the answer done. Answer is done here. And you can synchronize this answer, order this answer in any way you want. 23 x cube y you can write first, and minus 13 x cube y cube you can write second. no problem at all, the answer will be same. Dear students, have you observed here what we have done? Mainly, first you have to choose the like terms, then arrange the like terms, and then do the additions and the subtraction. This is row method again. This simplification I did in a row method. This can be easily done with the column method also. So how to do in column method? Another example I will take and I do in column method. So let me write the question. 23x square yz plus 3xyz square plus 9x square yz minus 7xyz square plus, okay, this much we will write, no issues. Now I will do it in column method. Row method I have told you, like terms, first you arrange, then you add or subtract. In column method what we will do, again the like terms you will write in the same column, right? So let me first, which are the variables, let me discuss. X square yz is a variable and here x square yz is a variable, they are like terms. Another xyz square and here also xyz square is there, so they are like terms. Let me write, and which variable you will write first, that depends on you. It's your choice. So let me choose to write x square yz first. So 23x square yz. Just below that you will write this one 9x square yz and just mark the whether it is added or whether it is subtracted. It is added, so no issues, plus 9x square yz. Again xyz square is also there, so write just beside that you can write this is 3xyz square. If it is plus, then you may not put any symbol, or you can put plus symbol also, no issues. But minus symbol if there, you definitely have to put minus symbol, otherwise the value may change when you calculate. So then minus 7xyz square, minus 7xyz square. Now I will add this one. So this one you can start from this end, you can start from this end, no issues. As in the number system, when you are adding, so 25 plus 31, you are doing like this, unit place first, then you are coming to tens place. But here there is no such tens place and unit place concept is there, so directly you can start from right or you can start from left, answer will be same. Now plus 3 minus 7, so 3 minus 7, right? If 7 minus 3 would have been there, what would be the answer? 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So let us write minus 4 and the variable is xyz square. And here 23 plus 9, negative is not there. So now it's very easy. So it is 32 and the variable x square yz. Now this is the final answer, done. 32x square yz minus 4xyz square. So this is the final answer. So dear students, in this way you can go for row method, you can go for column method, and addition and subtraction will be done. Okay. Now after going for this addition and subtraction, let me tell you some tricks of multiplication. Now we will go for multiplication and we will go for simpler multiplication to bit complex multiplications. Let us start with, I have told you monomial, binomial, trinomial, all are polynomials. So let us start with single term, that is monomial to monomial multiplication, then we will go for higher one. So let us start. So in multiplication we will do 3x into 5x is equal to how much? See, here variables are same and the numbers are also, they are, first you multiply the numbers. How? 3 into 5, as you are doing in addition and subtraction. So x into x. What I did here, I just splitted the numbers, or I put aside the numbers and I put aside the variables in different part. In the same question, same step. So Why I did that? Because it will be easy to know. If you are in advanced level, or if you understood what is multiplication of the polynomials, then you may skip this step. You may skip this step, directly you can do also. For beginners I am telling 3 into 5 is 15 into x is x square, right? When you multiply 2x's, then it is x square. When you multiply 3x's, then it is x cube. So it is, final answer is 15x square. This is the answer. But you can directly do from this step to this step, because 3 into 5 is 15, x into x is x square. Directly do. Another example I will do here. Another example. Suppose 3xy into 8xy. See, let me take different variable here. Xz square I will take, or x square z square I will take. Now, in addition and subtraction, the terms must be like terms, because if this is xy, this must be xy to add or to subtract. But in multiplication and division, this need not be this variable and this variable, means the algebraic numbers, that is x and y, they are there, they may be different. Means like terms can only be added and subtracted. But for multiplication and division, the terms need not be like only. We can multiply and divide the unlike term also. Is equal to, now the answer is, you see, 3 into 8, directly we will do 3 into 8 is 24, then xy, this we will do xy into x square z square, because number multiplication is easy for you. Now the variable multiplication, if you are advanced, you can understand very easily. If you are a beginner, for you I am telling x into x. How many x are there here? Here only one x is there. And here how many x is there? 2x are there. How many total number of x are there? 3x are there. So you can write x to the power 3. If 3x are multiplied, then it is x to the power 3 into 1. Y is there only 1. So 1y. Power of y is 1. And z only square is there. So write z square. So now final answer is 24x cube y is z square. You can do directly from this. This step may be skipped also, no problem. 3 8 is 24, x, 1x is there, here 2x's are there. So 2 plus 1, the powers will be added. Actually here the law of exponent are being used. How? I am telling just here x into x square. What does it mean? X means x to the power 1 into x square means x to the power 2. So the base is x and the powers is 1 and 2. Where same base is there and it is multiplied, then same base you write and the powers will be added. That is 1 plus 2, that is x to the power 3. Right? Suppose x to the power 2 is there and here x to the power 5 is there. What will be the answer? Directly tell. X is the same base, right? 5 plus 2 is 7. Directly you can write that. Okay, so next, so you understood this multiplication if different variables are there. Okay, now another example we can take. See, these two examples I took here, they are monomials with the monomials. Now I will take monomials with binomials. I will take different example, monomials and binomials. So monomial, suppose it is 3xy square into 2xz plus 3x square z. Let randomly I have taken example, from my mind I have taken example. So 3xy square whole into 2xz plus 3x square z. So how to do this? This is a monomial. Monomial is been multiplied with a binomial. How do you know binomial? Because this is one term and this is another term, and these two terms are been separated by a plus mark, right? Because plus mark and the minus mark, they separate the term. Multiplication mark does not separate the term. Okay, so now is equal to, now let me solve this. Here this term will be multiplied whole by this whole, this term and with this term. So 3xy square multiplied by this and 3xy square will be multiplied by this. What I told in statement, now let me write in board. 3xy square into 2xz plus. If plus mark is there, give plus mark. If minus is there, give minus. Okay. Next, 3xy square into this one also, into 3x square z. Right. Now, have we completed the writing process? Yes. So 3xy square into this one written, plus mark given, 3xy square into this one written. So now I will solve this. And how to solve this? Again, monomial plus monomial and monomial. Let me do directly. 3 into 2 is 6. Here x is there, here x is there. How many x? 2x are there, so it is x square. Here y square is there. Any more y square or y term is there? No. Here, because this is a term, you can do separately this one and separately this one and write the answer. Okay. So this is y square written. This is z, only z. No other z is there. So 6x square y square z plus here. Again, the number is 3. Here the number is 3. The numeral coefficient 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. And x, 1x is there. Here how many x? X square is there, means 2 x's are there. So x1 and x2, 1 plus 2 is 3. So x cube, right? And here y square, no other y is there. So write y square. And here z is there, write z. Write z. Okay. So finish. Now the answer is ready. And just check, but after multiplying this part and this part, just check this one x square y square z and this is x cube y square z. Are these variables same with same power? No. If that, because we have to add them if they are like terms. Add or subtract will be done if they are like terms, but we are not getting like terms, we are getting unlike terms, right? This is the way multiplication has been done. And which rule we have applied here? Simple rule, you do remember? This is distributive property. Multiplication is distributive over addition. This can be done over subtraction also. So this is one. This kind of multiplication you can do, and this kind of multiplication can be done in column method also, my dear students. So I am just taking a small example, 2a whole into, let us come out of the x and y z. Now I am coming to a, b, c also, because that variables also can be used. Now 2a whole into 3ab plus 6c. Now this is same, I will do in column method, that's why I have written this. So 3ab I will write at the top, 3ab plus 6c, which has to be multiplied with what? With 2a, right? So here 2a I will write. I can write here or I can write here, same, no issues is there. But just remember that that will be multiplied with both, isn't it? So 2a will be multiplied with 3ab, 2a into 3ab. Rough work or mental work you do and you can write the answer here. So 2 3 ja 6 and a into a is a square and this is b. So that is 6a square b. 6a square b, and this plus mark is there, you just put down the plus mark. If minus mark is there, you just put down the minus mark here. Now 2a into 6, 2 6 ja is 12, directly you can do. This is optional, you may do this step or may not do this step. Okay, directly you can write the answer. 2 6 ja 12 and a into c is ac, or you can write ca also, you can change the sequence order, you can change. So this is the answer in column method. So this type of multiplication, monomial into a polynomial, you can do by row method or by column method, but distributive property is being applied here, and I feel row method is very convenient for you, because column method you have to write this much and you use the space also. So let me take another example of multiplication where we will take polynomial into polynomial. Many terms will be multiplied with many terms. Let me take another example of that one. So now 2a minus 3b whole into 4ab minus plus I will take first and 5ac. Randomly I have taken example. This is a polynomial having two terms, this is a polynomial having two terms, and we will multiply them. Again distributive property will be applied here. How? Let us see how distributive property is being applied here. See, 2a minus 3b will be totally multiplied into 4ab plus 5ac. So So 2a whole into 2a will be fully multiplied into this one, 4ab plus 5ac. Then after 2a, what symbol is there? 2a operation you completed. 2a whole into this part written. Now minus, give minus mark. If plus mark would have been there, put plus mark. Minus is there, put minus mark. Now here 3b is there, write 3b whole into this one again. So 4ab plus 5ac. Now what do you observe here? 2a multiplied by whole this one, and 3b also multiplied by whole 4ab plus 5ac, but here only minus mark is there, is equal to. Now you can you can multiply by monomial into polynomial, same type of the previous one, 2a into 4ab. Now you can skip this step also, skippable. This step which I am going to do is absolutely skippable. 2a into 4ab plus 2a into 5ac minus 3b into 4ab minus, again minus is there, so 3b into 5ac. Now multiplication. This step can be skippable. You can do this step directly. So 2 into 4 is 8, a into a is a square, and b is there, plus 2 into 5 is 10, a into a is a square, minus again 3 4 jar 12, b into b is b square, and 1 a is there, right? So ab square, again minus mark is there, put the minus mark, 3 5 jar 15, and b a c, double is not there, so a b c, you write in a sequence, that will be easy. So now again check whether any like terms are there. A square b, no a square b term is there. A square is there anywhere? No. AB square is there anywhere? No. A square b is there. A square b is not equal to AB square, dear students. So and then ABC is there. So now our answer is done. So as many numbers will be there, the multiplication will be carried over like this only. So in this way, addition, subtraction and multiplication concept we covered. Now we'll go for division, and after division we will cover some of the typical questions from addition, some questions of subtraction, some questions from multiplication, and some questions from division also. So let us start division. We'll start from a very simple example first. I will take very simple example for you. 5xy divided by I will take 25xy divided by, if it is divisible then you will be convenient for that. So 5xy. Let me see how much is the answer. Now 25xy divided by 5xy. It is easy if I will write like this, 25xy divided by 5xy. So here x can be cancelled, y can be cancelled, and 25 by 5 is 5 5s. So answer is 5. Easy. Now again one more example, 30x square yz divided by 3x y z. Let me see, is equal to, now 30x square yz, let us write 30x square yz in the numerator and in the denominator 3xyz. Now the answer, again x square and this is x, this y and y can be cancelled easily, z can be cancelled easily. Now remaining 30 by 3, 3 10 ja, so 10, x square by x is remaining here. So what you will do, x square, this is x means what is the power of x? I will write it x square divided by x. So it is just like you will apply the laws of exponent. So laws of exponent will be, if the base is same, write the same base, and this is the power of the numerator, that is 2, and power of the denominator is 1 minus 1. So power of the denominator will be subtracted from the power of the numerator. So x to the power 2 minus 1, that is x to the power 1. Or simply you can write 10, x to the power 1 means what? 10x. So final answer is 10x. Isn't it? So in this way you can do it. Another example I will take. So observe carefully. 72 x to the power 5 y square z cube divided by 54 x square y to the power 5 and z to the power 7 now is equal to, in the same way I will do 72 divided by 54. I am just splitting it into x to the power 5 divided by x square into y square divided by y to the power 5 into z to the power 3 divided by z to the power 7. Now why did I split it? Because it will be convenient to divide number by number. This x term by x term, here y term by y term, here z term by z term. Now it will be easy to divide. Now is equal to, this is 54. So 72 by 54, both are being divisible by 6. So this is 6 9 ja 54 and this is 6 12 ja. Now again these two are being divisible by 3. So 3 3 ja and this is 3 4 ja. So final is 4 by 3. The number part is over. Now here the variable is x, here the variable is also x. Same base is there, and if different power is there, what did I tell just before? Write the same base, that is x, and this is the power of the numerator is 5, power of the denominator is 2, it will be subtracted here. Into the same thing will happen here, y and y are the same base, write the same base, and this is the power of the numerator 2 minus the power of the denominator. No matter this is small or big, smaller number or bigger number, that you just ignore and subtract. Whatever the answer will come, if the answer will come in negative, negative. If the answer will come positive, positive. Don't worry. Into, now z to the power 3 minus 7. Same rule, same base. This is the power of the numerator and this is the power of the denominator. Power of the numerator minus power of the denominator is equal to, so 4 by 3, this is x to the power 5 minus 2 is 3, and this is y to the power 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So y to the power minus 3. Now z to the power 3 minus 7 is 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So this is the answer, final answer. Nothing can be more done here. So this is the final answer you have got. So understood, number separated, same base or same algebraic terms, that is x x, y y, z z. This step you can skip, no problem. You can directly come from this step to this step and you do. And if MCQ questions is there, multiple choice questions is there, then directly you can do like this. Here only you can do like this. This is directly you can do, this is 72 and this is 54. So directly you can write like this. This is 18 4 ja and this is 18 3 ja. 4 by 3 written. X to the power 5 minus 2 is x to the power 3. Y to the power 2 minus 5 is y to the power minus 3, and y to the power z to the power 3 minus 7 is z to the power minus 4. Finish. Answer. Single step. If MCQ, then if 2 marks question is there for high school students, 6, 7, 8 class students, then you can do like this. If it is a MCQ question, directly do like this and confirm for higher levels or competitive examinations. So we will go for another example of different kind completely, which is very, very useful in all the divisions. These are very simple divisions. Now I will go for, see, these are the divisions where the numerator is a monomial and the denominator is also monomial. Means the divisor and the dividend both are monomials. Now I will take the dividend will be a polynomial and the divisor will be a polynomial. How to do that? Let us see. Now this is one more example I will take, polynomial by monomial, then I will go for that one which I told. 4x square plus 5x whole divided by 2x. What is there here? Two terms are there and plus mark is there and divided by 2x. This is a polynomial and this is monomial. Let us do same 4x square plus 5x whole divided by 2x. What does it mean? This will be divided by 2x and this will also be divided by 2x. So 4x square divided by 2x plus 5x divided by 2x, splitted. So 2 ja 4, and this is again we will do next. This is 2, and directly you do x square, and this is x is there. So this is x to the power 2 and this is x to the power 1. Write the same base x, and numerator power is 2, denominator power is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So no need to write 1, plus 5 by 2, it cannot be reduced to more. So 5 by 2 will be there. Then here x and here x both are cancelled or eliminated. Why? Because x to the power 1 numerator power, denominator power is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So x to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0, the answer will be 1. Okay, so nothing will be written here. So this is the final answer. Done. This is the final answer, done. So polynomial divided by monomial. Now I will take example polynomial by polynomial, and it's a completely different division process, dear students. I request you kindly to be watchful more and put more concentration and more focus, and wherever doubt, just go back to the video and recap and watch. So let us start polynomial by polynomial. It's very, very important for all stages, this kind of division, and you will remember you have to do in all the classes this kind of division I will tell you now. So the question is this one: 6x square plus 19x plus 10 divided by 3x plus 2. Now as in normal division you first write the divisor and dividend in the same format between a line like this. I am writing the dividend here, 6x square plus 19x plus 10. So dividend is ready. Now in the left side I will write the divisor, that is 3x plus 2. So dividend and divisor is ready. Now I will tell you step by step. Step number 1, you first check which is the first term of dividend. So that is 6x square, first term of the dividend, divided by first term of the divisor, that is 3x. So this division again you do as normal. How? Is equal to 6 by 3 is 2, and x square by x, as I told in the previous divisions, x is the same base. So write the same base, and this is 2 and this power is 1. So numerator power is 2 minus denominator power is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 2x. So first term of the dividend written, first term of the divisor written, and division is been done. When the result is the quotient, the result is the quotient of the result quotient. That means this result, this 2x will be the first term of the quotient, 2x written. Then next step, understood? First step, step 1, I will write here the step. Step 1. Step 1 is, this is the first term of dividends, small writing I am writing, divided by first term of divisor. Okay, so this is the step number 1, done. Then that answer, this quotient, some answer you will get here, that quotient will be written in the main quotient line, that is the first term of the quotient. Now in the step 2, what we will do? Step 2, the first term of the quotient, that is 2x, which you are getting here right now, that will be multiplied with both the terms of, or all the terms. Suppose there are 3 terms will be there, here only 2 terms are there, so you will multiply 2x into 3x and write here 2x into 2, then write here. If more number of terms are there here in the divisor, that you will multiply with each of them, 2x into 3x, 2x into 2, or some more terms. Suppose 4y will be there, 2x into 4y, all the terms, all the results will be written below. Now we will do that. Let us see. So 2x into 3x, again go for simple monomial multiplication. 2 3 ja is 6, x into x is x square written. Then here plus mark is there, plus mark, this is also plus, plus and plus if you multiply, answer will be plus, so plus symbol will be given. First symbol multiplication, plus 2 and plus is plus multiplication. So 2 2 is 4 and x, and this is no x is there, so this will be x only, right? Done. 2x into 2 is 4x. Now you see what I am doing. Now in normal division, suppose I will compare with a normal division. Suppose 19 is there, divided by 4 is there. What you were doing? 4 4 16. After putting this, you are subtracting the number and writing this resultant number here, and again you are dividing by 4. Like this we are continuing, isn't it? So similarly, this part like this will be subtracted from the top one. Let us subtract that and write the answer. Now when you are subtracting, this plus 6 will be minus 6 because you are subtracting, plus 4 will be minus 4. Now let us subtract. 6x square minus 6x square will be cancelled. Then 19x minus 4x will be 15x. Done. And this will be coming down plus 10. So did you see? This is normal subtraction I did. Okay, what steps I did? First I did first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. The result, that quotient, will be the first term of the quotient, and that first term of the quotient will be multiplied with each term. 2x into 3x, 2x into 2, right? So that is step 2. So step 2 I will write here. Step 2, what did you do? Step 2, the quotient, first term of the quotient, means that this quotient, whatever you are getting from this result, the quotient multiplied by the divisor, each term of the divisor, right? And step 3, what did you do? Step 3, you got the result. The product is subtracted from the main dividend. So product is subtracted. Just for hints, product is subtracted. Done. Next step. Again, actually, now your main steps are covered. Main steps, 3 steps are covered. Dividend by divisor, that quotient, first term of the quotient. First term of the quotient will be multiplied by each term of the divisor, and result is been written. The product is written. And after that product is being subtracted, one more dividend, you are getting now the dividend for the next step. So in the dividend for the next step, which is the first term, 15x, again you write the step, same steps will be repeated. 15x is the first term of the dividend. Here the dividend, remainder, 15x divided by 3x, first term of the divisor. X cancel, 15 by 3 is 5. Again the result that you are getting, that is the second term, because you are doing in the second step, so that second term of the quotient. Plus or minus, it is plus, so plus 5. Done. Plus 5. Now again same. What is the step 2? Step 1 is done. First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. Done. The quotient, what you are getting, is multiplied by whole of the divisor. 5 into 3x. 5 3 ja 15x, and plus and plus. Symbols will be multiplied. Plus and 2 plus is plus. Plus 5 into 2 is 10. Now same. Step 3. Product is subtracted. Now subtract. Plus 15 will be minus 15, plus 10 will be minus 10. Plus 15x minus 15x is 0, plus 10 minus 10 is 0. That means the result is 0. You can write 0. The remainder is 0. So if when remainder is become 0, then this is the answer. The quotient is ready for you. So 2x plus 5 is the answer. So this process, if this method, this more number of steps will be there, you might have continued more steps also, and this answer will also come like that. So understood this one? Another example we will do for your confirmation now. Same polynomial into polynomial divided by polynomial we will do. Let us maybe write the question now. Again, I will do bit longer question now. it is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 whole divided by x square minus 4x plus 3. As I told, the divisor may be of different terms also, many terms also. So no issues. Let us write same way. Again, same format. Let us write the dividend x cube minus 6x square plus 11x and minus 6. The divisor will be x square minus 4x plus 3, and steps will be repeated like this. So the first term of the dividend is x cube, and the first term of the divisor is x square. Now you divide first. So x cube divided by x square, same base is there, write the same base. Numerator power is 3 and denominator power is 2, that is 3 minus 2, x to the power 1, answer is x. So this is x. That means the first term of the quotient will be x. Again, the next step will be first term of the quotient will be multiplied with all the three. In the previous one, you multiplied with all the 2. Here you will multiply with all the 3. Okay, let us multiply. Let's multiply x into x square. X means only 1. X square means 2. So how many x's are there total? 3 x's. So x cube. And please mark one thing, in the previous question 6x square there in the first term, and just below when you multiplied 6x square you got, and you could subtract that. Here x cube was the first term and x cube you got the product, first term of the product, and you can subtract also. Now multiply x into 4x. So this is plus, this is minus, plus minus is minus, plus into minus is minus, right? And 4, no number is there, so only 4. X into x is x square. Got it? Another number is also there, don't forget to multiply that. So plus is plus, x into 3 is 3x. Now again you move to the same step. After getting the product will be subtracted from the main dividend. Now if subtracted, the symbols will be changed. Minus will be plus and the plus will be minus. You see why the minus will be plus? Because it is subtracted. If minus is being subtracted, then that will be plus. So plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Now this is minus 6x square and plus 4x square. Minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2, because minus 6 plus 4 means 4 minus 6. 6 minus 4 is 2, but here 4 minus 6 is there, so minus 2. Minus 2 and x square is there, and 11 minus 3 is 8, that is plus 8. Please do remember, in haste don't make it minus, because haste may make waste of the result, dear students. So 11 minus 3 is 8 and x is there, and this is minus coming down. Now same step will repeat again. Now this is the first term, that is minus 2x square, and the first term is x square cancel. This is minus 2, right? Again multiplication, all the numbers, minus plus minus 2x square, same result you are getting, minus 2x square minus 2x square, minus plus, please multiply symbols, then numbers, then variables. So 2 4 ja 8 and then x, same number. Then minus plus minus 2 3 ja 6. Now you will subtract the product, same steps we are repeating. Subtract the product. Minus will be plus, plus will be minus, because you are subtracting. Minus will be plus. Minus 2x square plus 2x square cancel, plus 8x minus 8x cancel, minus 6 plus 6 cancel, remainder is 0, answer is ready. So the answer is x minus 2. If there will be more numbers will be there, accordingly this division process will continue in the same manner. Sometimes you may get remainder not 0, other than 0. If other than 0, you continue if possible. How to check that I am telling you. If the remainder here is 0, okay, no issues, but you just check the first term. Here what is the power? It is 2. Suppose here the remainder will come, the first term this power is 3, this is 2, so this power is more, this is less, you could divide. This power is 2, this power is 2, you could divide the first term power. Here the first term power, suppose here 2x is coming, what is the power of x? Power of x is 1 and here power of x is 2. If this power is small or lesser than or smaller than this one, means this power is bigger and this power will be smaller, you don't continue the division process. That will be the remainder, you write the answer. You write the answer. So till this power will be same or this power will be greater, as much that step you do. Till when this power of the first term which is coming, x to the power something, that something must be greater or bigger than this x to the power something, this power. Means dividend, the power of the variable in the dividend must be greater than the power of the divisor here, that variable. Then only division process will continue or you write the remainder, that one. Okay, understood? Now here we complete the multiplication and division part. So dear students, we till now went for the operations of the polynomials, addition easy, subtraction easy, multiplication, then division. We learnt a new way of division with steps. If monomial with monomial is there, polynomial with monomial division is there, that's also easy. But polynomial with polynomial, few steps, 3 steps, that is repeated again and again till the remainder is 0. If the remainder is not 0, you just check the first term of the last one that is coming, that power will be less than the divisor variable power or the power of the divisor what is there. If that is more, then stop the division and that will be the remainder. In this way we learned all these 4. Hope you have understood in a very significant way. Just practice will make you perfect. With this, stay tuned for the next videos to come. Thanks a lot.